guys, this is Jill with You Ordered Home. Today I have a 2-minute video on our series of the side dishes for Thanksgiving if you are looking for some ideas or alternatives. And the one I have today has to do with potatoes. I know everybody likes their mashed potatoes. This one I call rustic potatoes. It's a little bit different. So if you're looking for something a little bit different, stay with me for 2 minutes and tell me what you think. So you want to get out your potatoes, wash them, peel them, cut them into cubes as if you're going to boil them for mashed potatoes, but instead we're going to place them in a bowl. We are going to add to that bowl about 1.5 tablespoons of fresh parsley that I'm chopping up here, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm also going to season this with about a teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And I'm also going to crush 4 cloves of garlic and add that straight to this mix. You want to stir this all together until the potatoes are coated very well. Place the potatoes on a baking sheet here. Roast them for about 40-45 minutes at 400 degrees in the oven. Come out of the oven, they will be golden and crisp and smell great. One, you can serve them that way, but if you prefer to have the mashed version, then mash them either with a mixer with beaters or a hand mixer. I do have a potato ricer that I normally use for mashed potatoes, but this seemed to be a little harder to do with a ricer just due to the nature of the crispiness with the roasted potatoes. Roasting of the potatoes gives it a really nice texture and taste, and it is a great add to your Thanksgiving meal. So if you're interested in something like this, give it a try. I hope you enjoy your holiday. I will see you again real soon. I hope you find order, peace, and love.